Yeah, hello traders. Good morning. I'm back again. Today I'll be talking about support and resistance levels. How to draw your support and resistance level. So let me show you what we are going to be looking at. We are going to be looking at something like this move, another move back down to that first start, then an upward move back down. At this point, when there's two points connected that is touched at the same place, we would draw a line there, a horizontal line there, like a boss. Horizontal line there, like a boss. Probably the week will be there. The weeks will be touching. The week we will draw it to the end of the weeks. The weeks will be something like just there. So we'll be waiting for this move that is coming to get back to here, to get back to that horizontal line, and at least give us a bullish move or a candlestick pattern to assure us that yes, the move is about to start happening, that the bulls have taken off the bears out of the market, and they are about to start riding back up. And also we'll be watching these levels, if okay. So that's what we are looking for at this point. Also, this, if the market was there, we were not seeing this other part. If the market was here, we would have taken here as our support, so we would have drawn those balls here to the end of this first week. I'll be anticipating to wait that the move will get back to this boss and then to buy off again. But it didn't do that. Let's see in the future if he actually gets back there. If he actually gets back there. Okay, let's put a line there, an horizontal line. He actually get back there. Okay, didn't. It's still going upward. So this was not a support and resistance level for us to get in. So let's go back. I think I saw one back. So right here, at this place, when we saw this move, get here, stopped, start going up, came back there. Right now, we have not seen this move, what this move is going to do. So we drew our our we drew our horizontal support line. We drew our horizontal support line. You see, this move was like this. This move was like this. We drew our horizontal support line. Take it far back into the far forward into the future. So let's say our move was like this, and we have drawn it far into the future. There was nothing at the other side. This side, there was nothing at this side. So we were waiting to see what will happen there. The move started going. We started saw it coming down. We were waiting patiently. Actually, we also be drawing our trend line to see if it get broken, so we know that place is not valid or is valid. So we were waiting to see if it get back here. See if he gets back here and give us a bullish move to enter. So the moves was still going, not breaking the trend line at all. So say, oh, this is not breaking the trend line. Let's watch and see what it's going to be doing. We got the first touch, second touch, third touch was still moving downwards. I'll say, wow, could this be a downtrend that's going to break this resistance? And say, okay, we don't know, let it get to this point, then we'll wait. If it gets here, we know it if you break this resistance, we know the resistance turns support, and we'll be anticipating to look for this sell. But if it doesn't get through here, and it gets here, start to resist, we know it's still buy, a bullish move. It's still a bullish move, so we're just waiting. And then finally got in to our resistance, and we're watching, could this break or could this start to reverse again? And then it did reverse. First of all, give us this small bullish move inside. Don't say, oh, it has given us a bullish move inside the support area. So we say, okay, since this first confirmation has occurred, let's wait and let's see if it gives us a candlestick pattern, and then, or let's wait and see if it comes out of the support region. So then it actually came out, and it didn't just came out, it gave us a engulfing candlestick pattern. And then that is when we confirm that this was a bullish move, an engulfing candlestick pattern. The first candle gave us a upward move, then another candle from down gets up above it. That's the engulfing candle we are talking about right here. It gave us the engulfing candle right here. So we see, wow, that's a big confirmation, and it's in a support region. So we say, okay, let's try it, let's give it a try, let's take the risk. So we got in, and our stop loss was back. Our stop loss was back 20 pips or 30, whatever risk you like to risk to reward. So our stop loss exactly is to, let's see, 30 pips. Our stop loss was in 30 pips. So when our stop loss was in 30 pips, stop loss was in 30 pips, we got in here. Our stop loss was in 30 pips. So we want to say, okay, since we got where our stop loss want to be, we got our entry, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if it's going to get to our stop loss or get to our take profits. So we want to risk big, we want to risk small and try to gain a huge amount. So we want to say, let's get a good risk to reward, because when you keep getting a good risk to reward, you are very, very okay and very, very good to go in this game to last long in this game and make money out of it. So we want to say, okay, let's get a good risk to reward. We have gotten one. That is from our entry to our stop loss is our points that we want to risk. So we want to get a good risk. We want to get a good reward, not just one to one. We want to get 1 to 2. So we measure this 30 pips. We want to see if we can get 60 pips out of this, because 60 is 2 divided by 60 is 30, and we are risking 30 pips. So we want to try to get 60 pips so that we'll get a profit of 2, and if we lost 1. So that's what we want to do. So we measure from our entry to 60 pips. Let's see if we get 60 pips. Yeah, we got 60 pips. So our take profit would be at 60 pips. Our take profit would be at 60 pips. Our take profit would be at 60 pips. That's right here. So we would have gotten this trade. Then let's see, that's this other one. We're saying what we are anticipating for here. We want to see if this gets broken or it starts to reverse right here. So what we saw was this got reverse. So this other one, we don't know also if it's going to get broken or it's going to get a reversal. So we're also waiting. When we see this coming, we see okay, it has gotten to the support area again. We are anticipating, we are looking to either sell or buy, but if we want to buy, we want to see it give us the same pattern it gave us here, or we want to see the breakthrough and then we get in. So at this break, we can be waiting for a break, then a retest. If it doesn't give us that, we'll just leave it. So right now this one didn't give us a retest, so we are leaving it. We want to see it at least, if this was a retest, we want to see it like this or like this, coming down again before getting. So it didn't give us that, so we weren't anticipating for this move anywhere at all. Just let it go, and maybe would have been looking for this. It get broken or it gets, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The retest is either it gets broken or it gets back like just like this, but it didn't give us anything here. It didn't give us the move, so we were leaving it. So this whole place, like this place, wasn't giving us anything. So right here, yes, we got the engulfing. We could have been entering in the engulfing, because okay, no, I don't think we would have been entering in the engulfing. We'll also be waiting for something like this. Waiting for something like this. We want to retest. Then something again at this junction. At this junction, when we see something, we see a break and retest. I think we'll be getting in here, because right here it broke this place. This resistance. He broke it here, from here to here, broke it here, broke it, and then at the break we were waiting for a retest. So when he broke it, we saw a retest, then we were waiting for a candlestick pattern. We saw an engulfing candlestick pattern, that red and the green. We saw an engulfing candlestick pattern. Yes, would have been in there. We risked that 20 pips or 30 pips. Then we'll try to get, if it's 20, we'll try to get 40. If it's 30, we'll try to get 60 pips. You can just leave your your trades will be running and get all this. But it's advisable, just like if you're a new beginner, just take 1 to 2. Don't try to get more, but you can still risk. If you feel you can still risk more, you can still try to get higher. Since maybe you have secured your profit already, you can still go higher. Yeah, it's also advisable to go higher. But let's get to the point where what we are doing today. So yeah, that's it. Let me give you an example, a graphical example of a support and resistance. Maybe next topic we're talking of trend line. This is an example of trend line. So let me give you a graphical example of support and resistance. Resistance is the up parts, like this one. Let me just draw a resistance. This one right here is a resistance because it was up here. It was a resistance. As this also is a resistance, but when it becomes a real resistance is when this one is when you see a two touch, like a double bottom. This one get here and get here. That's one we know is a fully grown resistance. But there was also a confirmation here when this one get to retest this place that it touched and get to retest here, it become a resistance also. But the great good resistance is when yes, exactly, when to touch is being touched. That's when it's a great resistance to be looking out for. Just like the support right here, it was giving us to retouch. So that's it. Alright, thanks. Let me give you the graphical example of support and resistance. Let me draw this support and resistance so it doesn't look like usually resistance I draw. So you get here, I draw this resistance for you also. So that's it. That's the support. That's the support and resistance. This is the support. The down part is the support and the up part is the resistance. So yeah, this resistance also was broken here. So let me give you the graphical example of support and resistance. About the graphical example of support and resistance. Yeah, you can see this touch here. This touch gets here. This touch gets here. Also touch, then it broke. Give us a retest. Come back here. Give us a retest. Come back here. Then start. Then that was the support became support became resistance when it broke here and gave us a retest, and from there it just became resistance, then finally broke and then retest and then start to give us a support line again. You can see it, all that. When you get here, it became support again, down here support, then it went up. Just 3 touch support even at that place. 3 touch supports, 1, 2, 3, then up broke. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment. Let me see if there's an idea, anything. If you see this video is okay, tell me. If you see it's wrong, okay, tell me in the comment section. The video you like me to do, write it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'm very grateful.